Backpacking is undeniably a wonderful way to intimately experience the beauty of Mother Nature. While we acknowledge that embarking on a backpacking journey can initially pose challenges and inconveniences, there are several crucial gear items that can significantly ease this process. So in today's video, we'll show you 10 essential backpacking gear for beginners. Let's get started. If you are a beginner backpacker, you might be worried about getting lost or separated from your group. That's why we recommend the GoTel X Squad, a wearable tracker that connects you to 4 different satellite networks: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BeiDou. With this device, you can enjoy real-time navigation and tracking, so you can always know where you and your group members are. Plus, you can send short messages to each other without using a phone or network signal. How cool is that? The GoTel X Squad is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Don't let the rain ruin your adventure. With the OneWind Ultralight Rain Poncho, you can stay dry and comfortable in any weather. This rain poncho is made of high-quality 15D steel nylon ripstop material, which is durable, waterproof, and breathable. It has a large hood and a zipper closure to keep you cozy and warm. You can also use it as a survival shelter, a ground sheet, or a tarp. It's perfect for backpackers, campers, hikers, and anyone who loves the outdoors. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, so you can easily pack it in your backpack or pocket. Whether you're traveling with your family and friends or solo, the OneWind Ultralight Rain Poncho will be your best companion. Imagine yourself on a thrilling adventure, backpacking through rugged terrain, traversing unknown paths, and exploring the unknown. You need a bag that is not only spacious and sturdy, but also lightweight and waterproof. Introducing the Bugaboo Bags Jumbo Backpack, the ultimate backpack for all your adventure needs. This roll-top 2-shoulder backpack has an extendable flap and is available in 2 sizes with many color options to choose from. The outer layer is made of durable and UV-resistant Cordura fabric. Meanwhile, the inner layer is made of waterproof tarpaulin, keeping your belongings dry even in the roughest conditions. Furthermore, it's comfortable to wear, even for extended periods of time, all thanks to the padded outer back and shaped shoulder padding. To keep your belongings secure and prevent them from shifting around during travel, the bag also comes with detachable straps and compression straps on all sides. The Jumbo Backpack includes several convenient pockets and holders for all your essentials. In addition, it features a Velcro strap to attach your phone or radio to the shoulder strap, as well as a reflective stripe and a blinky lamp holder on the back for increased visibility at night. However, one of the best things about Bugaboo bags is its customization options. You can personalize your bag's color, put custom embroidery designs, and also have your logo printed on the bag flaps to truly make it your own. So whether you're hiking, camping, or just commuting to work, the Bugaboo Jumbo Backpack is the perfect choice for all your needs. Whether you need to slice some cheese, open a can, or cut some rope, the Civivi Elementum pocket knife will be your best friend in the wilderness. This knife is made with high-class D2 blade material that is reliable enough to cut everything in the backpacking. Now you can swiftly access it with just a press of a trigger. Not just that, to get a strong grip over it, this knife has an incredible G10 handle. But that's not all. The Civivi Elementum pocket knife also has a sleek and elegant design that will make you stand out from the crowd. It comes in various colors and finishes, so you can choose the one that suits your style and personality. The knife is lightweight and compact, so you can easily carry it in your pocket or backpack without adding any bulk. It also has a sturdy clip that allows you to attach it to your belt or bag for quick access. If you want to head out on an extreme backpacking adventure that will challenge your limits and test your endurance, you need the right shoes to support you along the way. That's why you should choose the Salomon Outpulse Gore-Tex shoes, the ultimate footwear for exploring the beauty of nature with comfort and confidence. These shoes have a waterproof resistance feature that keeps your feet dry and cozy in any weather condition, whether it's rain, snow, or mud. Plus, they have full rubber toe caps that offer intense protection from roots and rocks rocks that might hurt your toes or damage your shoes. With these shoes, you can enjoy a painless backpacking experience that will make you feel alive and adventurous. And the best part is, you don't have to pay a fortune for these amazing shoes. They are affordable and stylish, so you can look good and feel good without breaking the bank. Link from Cutaway is a versatile and innovative product to enhance your backpacking experience. This is not just a regular sleeping bag, but a multifunctional tool that can adapt to your needs and preferences. You can use it as a cozy blanket, a soft pillow, a travel sheet, or even a hammock to enjoy the scenery from a different perspective. The Link is designed to be compact and lightweight, so you can easily carry it around without adding extra bulk to your backpack. It is also made of durable and breathable materials, so you can rest assured that it will last for many trips and provide you with comfort and warmth. The Link is the ultimate backpacking accessory that will make your adventure more fun and exciting. Don't let the name fool you. The Surviveware Small is a medical kit that packs a lot. It contains everything you need to treat a variety of injuries, from minor cuts and scrapes to severe bleeding and burns. Whether you're hiking, camping, biking, or traveling, you can always rely on this kit to keep you safe and healthy. The Surviveware Small is designed to be compact and durable, so you can easily fit it in your backpack, car, or suitcase. It also has a water-resistant and organized case, so you can access your supplies quickly and easily. Plus, it comes with a CPR kit, a whistle, and a mini first aid guide for extra peace of mind. The Surviveware Small is more than just a medical kit, it's a lifesaver. The Outdoor Research 4A2 is more than just a jacket. It's a complete solution that lets you enjoy the outdoors without worrying about getting wet or cold. It has a sleek and modern design that fits comfortably and looks great. The durable and waterproof Gore-Tex fabric keeps you dry and protected from the elements. The unique Torso Flow venting system allows you to adjust the airflow and temperature inside the jacket, so you can stay cool and fresh even when you're working hard. Whether you're hiking, camping, or backpacking, the 4A2 is the perfect companion for your adventures. It's lightweight, packable, and easy to put on and take off. It has plenty of pockets to store your essentials and a hood that can be adjusted or rolled away. It also comes in different colors and sizes to suit your preferences. Here's the Fenix HM65R, a bright and capable headlamp to illuminate pitch-dark ways on your backpacking sessions. Being as bright as 1400 lumens, this headlamp can help its users through any challenging trails during nighttime. And as it weighs only 3.42 ounces, carrying it won't be an issue as well. Quickly swappable batteries will make your adventure even easier, and to top everything off, it features a comfortable headband for a more relaxed experience. One of the challenges of backpacking is finding a way to cook your food without carrying a heavy and bulky stove. But what if you could have a stove that fits in your pocket and weighs almost nothing? That's exactly what the Esbit Ultralight Folding Pocket Stove offers you. This amazing stove is so small and light that you can hold it in the palm of your hand, and it's super easy to use. Just unfold it, insert a fuel tablet, and light it up. You can boil water, heat soup, or cook a simple meal in minutes. The Esbit Ultralight Folding Pocket Stove is the perfect solution for backpackers who want to enjoy a hot meal or drink without sacrificing space or weight. So that concludes our list of 10 essential backpacking gear for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.